Here are some detailed and legitimate ways to earn money in 2024. Freelancing. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TaskRabbit. Services: writing, graphic design, social media management, web development, virtual assistants. Payment: hourly or project-based. Online tutoring. Platforms: Tutorme, Chegg, Varsity Tutors, VIPKid. Subjects: English, math, science, programming, languages. Payment: hourly. Surveys and gigs. Apps: Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, TaskRabbit. Tasks: surveys, delivering food, running errands, data entry. Payment: points redeemable for cash or gift cards. Selling products. Platforms: Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify. Products: physical goods, digital products, handmade items. Payment: per sale. Content creation. Platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Medium. Content: videos, live streams, blog posts, podcasts. Payment: ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing. Dropshipping. Platforms: Shopify, Oberlo, AliExpress. Products: physical goods without holding inventory. Payment: per sale. Affiliate marketing. Programs: Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank. Products: promote products and earn a commission. Payment: per sale. Selling skills. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Services: web development, photography, social media management. Payment: hourly or project-based. Creating and selling an online course. Platforms: Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare. Subjects: share knowledge and skills. Payment: per course sale. Blogging. Platforms: WordPress, Blogger, Medium. Content: blog posts, articles, sponsored content. Payment: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored content. Remember, some of these options may require an initial investment of time or money, but they can potentially generate passive income or open up new opportunities for you. Which one of these options interests you the most, or do you have any specific skills or interests that you'd like to utilize to earn money? Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.